In this video, we're going to learn about Microsoft OneDrive. To access OneDrive, you want to start at your Microsoft Office 365 dashboard. Once there, in the top left corner, click on the waffle menu. A list of apps will appear. Choose OneDrive. What OneDrive does for us here at Western Dubuque Schools is it provides a cloud storage service that connects you to all of your files. It lets you store and protect your files, share them with others, and get them from anywhere on all your different devices. So what you're looking at here is the OneDrive dashboard. I'm going to start by showing you how to save or upload a document. Here I have a Microsoft Word document opened. The easiest way to save to OneDrive is to go to the File option, Save or Save a Copy, and choose your OneDrive. Now, in the top, it's going to want you to name it, and once you have that, you can select Save. I already have a copy of the save, so it asks if I want to replace it. I'll choose Yes. What you'll notice at the top left is that autosave is on, and this little continuous circle over the save disk means that it's automatically uploading to OneDrive. So if I make a modification to this document, you'll notice right up here in the top middle of the blue menu bar, it says it's saving, and now that it is saved. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. Now if you wanted to upload a document, there's a couple ways to do it. You can select the upload button, and you can choose File, and I could choose my desktop, and I could find that practice document that I was just working on a little bit ago. Once I find that document, I can select it, click Open, and it will upload it. And it gave me a notification that it's been uploaded. Now, another way that you can do that is you can simply drag and drop. I can minimize my window to the point where I can see my files, and I could take that document, drag it over, and drop it in. Once I do that, it's going to let me know that it's successfully uploaded. The next thing I wanted to do was show you how to share a document. So from OneDrive, there are a couple ways to do that. There's a share button that's located right here, or you can click on the three dots and you'll see that there's a share option. I'm going to click on that. From here, it's going to want to know who is it that you want to share it with. If you want to share it directly from here to somebody, you can simply start typing their name. Once you find that person, click on them. One thing I want you to note, it says anyone with this link can edit. I'm going to select that option, and if you feel more comfortable, you can switch it to just people in Western Dubuque School District. And down here is the most important. It says can edit. I would recommend changing this to can view if you don't want them to make any changes to this. Click Apply, and when you're ready to send that off, click Send. If you want a link that will allow you to share this through an email, you can simply select Copy, and it will provide a link that you can select to share through an email. Another thing that I wanted to share with you is how to make a folder. So one thing that you might want to do when you first get to the dashboard for OneDrive is on the left side, click on My Files. You'll see that I have a number of folders. The way that I created those folders was next to the New button at the top, there's a drop-down arrow. Select Folder. Give your folder a name and click Create. Now you can find that folder in alphabetical order, click on it, and I have nothing in here, but this is where you could upload or save some files to. Another thing is, in the event that something accidentally gets deleted, there is a recycle bin on the left. If you click on that, you'll see things that have been recently deleted. They typically stay in there for around 30 days. If you ever need to go back to the main view of the dashboard for Microsoft OneDrive, click on the Home button. Now, one thing that we want to recommend with our LMS here at Western Dubuque Schools is that we use the links I just shared with you in that LMS. So in the event that you want to share a document with a student, you can do that directly through campus with the links inside of OneDrive. If you're looking for additional resources here in Western Dubuque Schools for navigating your way in OneDrive, you can go to the district webpage, click on the hub, click on Teacher Resources on the right, and then in 365 you'll find OneDrive. Click on that. And here you'll see some more documentation and videos to help you be successful using OneDrive.